Good morning, everyone. My assembly today focuses a little bit on one of the key tenets of the Davenese Code. So the pupils, boys, should know this really, really well. And I thought it'd be a really good time for us to focus on being thoughtful. We are in an unusual situation where we're all living at home at the moment in terms of all throughout the day and working together. So perhaps more than ever, it's a good opportunity for us to think of others. So the theme today is to be thoughtful, and just to remind the boys, it's in the code. So I was thinking perhaps we'll focus a little bit on things you might do around the house to help, and this idea of having chores. In any case, I think it's an excellent idea for everyone to have chores to do their bit around the house. So you boys, you could help with the washing up. You could equally help with loading or unloading a dishwasher. You might also make your bed. So if you don't already do that, that's perhaps something you should be doing, keeping the place tidy, which brings me on to another idea. You could even tidy your room. I'm sure this young chap here reminds you of people you might know, and hopefully you're not this young man here. So tidying up your room, making your bed would be really, really helpful. Another good skill development is to help preparing meals. So perhaps offer to help prepare meals, learn a little bit more about cooking, and who knows, you might turn into a budding chef one day. Obviously, there are lots of ways you can be thoughtful. We're focusing today just on perhaps the things you might do to help, but you might want to think of other little acts of kindness you can do with your family at home, being thoughtful in the way you speak to them, being thoughtful in the way you act towards each other. Helping with chores is just one way, but perhaps you can discuss today with your family what other ways you can be thoughtful while at home. It's not all about actually doing things. Sometimes it's about your attitude and about your positivity towards others. Not being selfish, not being moody and thinking that your life's a bit tough, but thinking about how you can make life better for everyone else. And that's part of that outward thinking that we talk about when we talk about each striving for the good of all. So the message today really is to be thoughtful, because after all, it is in the code. I hope you have another good day today. Enjoy working together. As we said yesterday, please do ask for help if you need it. Don't be frustrated if the technology doesn't work. We are all still in new territory here, but I hope you're enjoying the challenge and I hope you're being positive, and I look forward to hearing about how thoughtful you are with your family. Have a lovely day.